Good morning everyone. In previous video we were discussing how light travels. Light travels in a straight line. For this we have taken one candle and one pipe. Make it straight and look the flame of the candle. We see in this situation we see the flame of the candle, and now you bend the pipe and then you see the candle flame. In this situation the candle flame is not visible. This shows that light travel in a straight line. And now when anything comes in the path of the light, suppose here, now you see the picture, I am the opaque object and something is formed. Can you see? This shadow, black color is formed. So when an opaque object comes in the path of the light, then shadow is formed. So in this video, we will discuss about the shadow. An opaque object will block the light falling on it. When opaque object you know very well, the object which do not allow light to pass through them are known as the opaque object. So when opaque object comes, a light is there and here is the screen. Now you see my hand shadow. When opaque object comes in the path of the light, that shadow is formed. Clear? An opaque object will block the light falling on it. This creates an area of the darkness on the other side of the object. This area of darkness is called shadow of an object. Clear? Shadow, what is the definition of shadow? When opaque object comes in the path of the light, shadow is formed. Next, the following three things are required for the shadow to form. एक shadow को बनने के लिए किस किस चीज की जरूरत होती है? There are the three things. One is source of light. Second is an opaque object. And third is screen or surface behind the object. Now, see. There are the three things needed formation of the shadow. Number one, source of light. If light is not there and there is no shadow, now you see shadow is formed, light is there, and now switching. Where is the shadow? Okay, the first thing is clear. The source of light is needed. An opaque object, if we are taking the transparent object, shadow will not form. The opaque object must be taken. Third is on a screen. This is the screen. If there is no screen, how you are getting your shadow? So there are the three things are needed. Number one, a source of light. Number one, source of light. Second condition is an opaque object. And third is screen. So these three things are needed for the formation of the shadow. Okay, a shadow cannot form if any of these is absent. If you are absent the source of light, shadow will not form. This explains why we cannot see the shadow in the dark. हम dark में अपनी shadow नहीं देख सकते. This is the reason, because light is absent. It is only when light rays are obstructed by an opaque object that we get a shadow of the object. It is clear? So what is the shadow? When an opaque object comes in the path of the light, shadow is formed. What are the conditions needed for the formation of the shadow? Number one, source of light. second is an opaque object, and third is screen or surface behind the object. Okay.